the 21st February, and we're sailing into Chamela, a little village north of Benecatita and we got a good course straight into the anchorage. Will be it. The sail there. And then tomorrow morning we'll be going pretty much out there, heading up around Cabo Corrientes into Banderas Bay, or maybe laying up in Ibala. Just a sense of what it's like sailing. We got a full sail up. There's Mikey back there. You know, we're just kicking along. Otto's doing a great job. And then there's our destination. Anchorages in the islands as well.